Been on lives and stuff all day today. I guess I will go ahead and turn the camera on. I don't want y'all to see all of me, you know what I'm talking about? That has gotten in my mind, unfortunately. This doesn't look good with this. Like, I tie this thing in so many different ways. Let's see. I'm not gonna let certain stalkers know what floor I'm on. Lord have mercy. I got me some sun today. But I don't think I got dark. I'm ready to put on some real clothes though, because I've been in a bathing suit basically all day. But you know what the bad thing is? When it gets hot, my thighs rub together, and that sign says no jumping. It's so freaking peaceful up here. You do not feel like you're in Vegas at all. And that is what I'm loving. Build me one, somebody. Just let me live here. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what my new home decor style is. And I think my home decor style is getting more modern. I saw this house that I really liked. I think I told you guys that. I think I've told everybody that. It actually makes me want to be an adult. It really does. Alright, I'm gonna hide you guys again. I know my boyfriend's not in here yet. Because he probably would have called me. I wouldn't be surprised if he gets caught up in the party spirit today. Again, I had the lady make up the bed because he likes a made up bed. I know I said it on my live. You know what? They have a robe in here. What are they saying about this robe? Other than don't steal me. Okay. We Okay, I had to read that. Because it does feel good to be in a robe. He is the kind of person that uses things because he put his stuff in there. Yeah, girl. I thought that I was going to be in here last night by myself. I was all ready to chill out. I probably only got like 30 minutes in here by myself last night. An hour tops. Can you guys see my view now? Look at those mountains. When you think about Vegas, you really don't think about mountains. You know, for some reason. These are all the pools. That is where I just was. Look at that overview. I want to do this for my own memory's sake. It's so many different places to stay and to try that I don't know if I'm like, oh, this is the one I'm going to stay in every time. But isn't that cool? I need to take a picture. Well, I want to, not need to. We don't need to do much in this life, in this modern society. But we want to do everything. Taking some pictures of my little overview. This video is so dry, I think because I'm so relaxed. Do I want to turn the camera back on me? How do I do that? I don't think I can do it this way. I think that once I start filming on my phone, that it's a wrap, like you can't turn it back around. So what else can I show you guys besides how excited that I am about my snacks that I got from what's that place? Walgreens. These are my 2 snacks that I bought. And then I was cheesy. And I bought this bottle of Prosecco or I don't know. It's got to be like Prosecco or a Cava. I don't know why I like turning on the lights, but now I don't even know where the light thing is. I don't want to unmake the bed. I want to be considerate. Where's my water? I know this is so boring to you guys. I'm in a very chilled out mood. Well, maybe I should just sit here at the desk and think about my life. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write a letter home. But guess who's at my home? No one. No one. I'm going to write a letter to my boyfriend. Dear boyfriend. Let's write this. Here we go. How do you do this pen? Pens are going to soon be a thing of the past, you guys, as I fumble with this one. Pen, why are you not working? I can't even write a letter because I don't know how to work a pen. Guys, I want to go shopping. Does this work? Yes, so here we go. It's a short letter. Doggone it, the pen went down again. Stay up, pen. Stay up. Dear boyfriend, do better. Let's do XOXO. That was a nice letter, but we're gonna put this in the mail. I don't know what the people use this paper for, making short lists, because we're gonna mail this tonight. There we go. Put that back. Okay, it's so nice to sit down at a executive desk. What's in here? Any surprises? Oh, look! There is an envelope for my letter. You know what this is really for? That is probably legit for the room service tips. Is that all we got? Ooh, like thank you letters and things. I'm gonna throw that in the garbage because we don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. Restaurant guide. Let me see what, you know what's so weird? I would think I'll be happy staying in this room. Pronto parties and sweet meals for 4. Okay, so 4 people is considered a party? Okay, I thought that was a family, but we'll go with it. Ooh, pizza, Caesar salad, 12. Wait a minute. I know my brain is fried, girl. You get 2 pizzas, 12 wings, and a Caesar salad for $120? Girl, my brain not that fried. Whew, game time. Caesar salad. Oh, God. What? I'm not coming to that party. I'm just not. This one seems, and I eat a lot of steak and seafood. That seems astronomical. Oh, did I just make that dirty? I think I did. But this is only for July and August, and we're already in middle of August, so we got to change it out anyways. Oh, diced lobster tail, but not even a whole lobster tail. I don't know, but they got Oscar in quotation, so I wonder if they're using crab meats. That might actually be kind of reasonable now that I read everything that's on it. I don't know why. Like when I do eat, I like to eat very light, or I like to eat pasta, noodles, whatever. I've been having so much heartburn. Look at the spaghetti and meatballs. These up here are not so bad. Vegetable stir fry. I like that they have some healthy options. There is a popular milkshake place in here. Oh, look at that Cake Boss. I'm not really. Ooh, look at this. A half a bottle. Girl, let me go get me some ice. Okay, so this is full bottles. I was up here with half bottles. Come on. Focus in. Focus in, phone. Act better than that. Okay. So now we're back. Full bottles. And my nail is looking kind of dingy. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with you, nail. Oh, I know what's wrong with you. I touched my face with makeup on it. I don't know. I think I'm going to get some ice for my little wine that I have. I want to take a shower. I kind of wanted to put on something. I'm lazy. But I know what's wrong with me. I had to go get some feminine goods, so that says it all. Oh, look at that yogurt. Now I do. Oh, that's breakfast. Daybreak. Come on, camera. Do better than this. Act right. Yeah. Okay. Oh, have a sip. Have a sip of what, darling? Okay. Oh, we went backwards. Spa breakfast. I just like that. Healthy starts. I wonder if they have the juices on here. Oh, look. I love waffles. Ain't that bad? Not something I eat all the time or even like every month, but I prefer chicken and waffles. I prefer waffles over pancakes. I like that crunchy. Okay. Did we see everything that this menu had? Why is it that... Okay, so here's the mini bar prices. Let's see what they got working here. Because everybody's like, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. Okay, that's not so bad. If you eat you some candy, okay. Who did I know was like, I think my boyfriend probably told me that story, like, fuck it, I can afford the mini bar and ate every fucking thing in it. Oh, I can't post this with the F word. Oh my God, girl, what's wrong with you, girl? Cut that out. Champagne. Oh, that's not bad. I don't know how much comes in one. Those must be real tiny bottles, though. Oh, the water is cheaper up here in my room than it was down there at the pool. So some of this is not too bad. Fruit juice, $5.50. I could pay $5.50 for some fruit juice. And then when you see it on here, you're like, ooh, I kind of want some fruit juice now. Ooh, certified kosher. I'm going to tell my boyfriend he can eat here. What do they have? Oh, chicken wings. They are so proud of their chicken wings here in Vegas. They are the home of the $20 chicken wing, $19. It's not even dollars at that point. It's dollars. With your tongue out, unfortunately. Beyond Meat Burger. You guys, if you watch this video, I appreciate you more than you know. I have nothing to say. I am chatted out. I'm kind of disappointed. I wanted to upload my last live, but I don't know. Maybe I hit the button wrong. I got out of it or something. Who knows? But thank you guys so much for watching. I want to go get in that bed, but I'm trying to be so kind and not unmake the bed. I'm going to call my boyfriend just to annoy him and tell him to quit messing with random strangers at parties. I am such a chill person now. I don't know when it happened. Like, when did I become an adult, like, who doesn't want to be up and down the street? It's weird. That is the weirdest thing. I like this cozy feeling. Maybe I'll write another letter to myself. There's also the direction that I'm going to head. Another place for me to make a phone call in here. Oh, baby wowzer. He must have just saw my picture. I have destroyed this bathroom. Yes, I have. Yesterday, I could not figure out. Ooh, I don't want y'all to see all of me right now. Because my thing is slanging out for me and everything. Maybe I should retie this and talk to you guys in the mirror. But I was going to make a phone call from this spot. Just seems like a good place to make a call. I'm going to put my little top thing up a little bit more. I can't believe. I can though. I can't believe that I packed so many freaking dresses and clothes. So many I packed. And I have literally been in my swimsuit cover up all day long. Yup. Is it time for me to take some blood? Look at it. Look at life. Look at life on this counter telling me that I'm a human being. Oh, do I want to get in this bathtub? Let me make sure that it's really clean. And I think I'm going to get in it. Do they have some bubble baths for me, though? I'm mad that the TV really only shows, like, the news. Depressing stuff. So sad about the stuff in Philadelphia today. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I do got to go get some ice. I know, you guys. She is just a regular, basic, totally basic 35, 36-year old. I don't even know how old I am. I don't know if I'm 35 or 36. But this is me. All of me. My boyfriend thinks that I'm doing like all this crazy stuff when he's not around, like because I don't like to go out and party and stuff. And this is basically what I'm doing. Introvert life. I have nothing to talk about. I am done for the day. Bye.